Hello everyone, continuation to the previous session. In this session, we will discuss LVM. What is LVM? What is the advantage of LVM? Before LVM, there is a traditional file system. If traditional file system is occupying 100% of disk space, there is no way to increase the file system. We can add another disk more than that size, then copy from one disk to another. After LVM, we can increase the file system and reduce the file system. We can manage anything. Key points to remember here is physical volume, volume group, logical volume, physical partition, and logical partitions. We can assign multiple disks to a VM. So each individual disk is named as a physical volume. One or more physical volumes can make up a volume group. Physical volumes can be assigned to the same volume group even though there are different type. For example, this may be physical volume may be a SCSI disk or SATA disk, whatever. The storage space from physical volume is divided into physical partitions. The size of physical partition is identical on all the disks belong to a one volume group. Within each volume group, one or more logical volumes can be defined. Data stored on logical volume appears to be continuous from the user point of view, but can be spread on different physical volumes from the same volume group. Logical volumes consist of one or more logical partitions. Each logical partition has at least one corresponding physical partition. So there is a relation between logical partition and physical partition. A logical partition and physical partition always have same size. You can have up to 3 copies of data located on different physical partitions. Usually, physical partitions stored identical data are located on different physical disks for redundancy purpose. Data from a logical volumes can be stored in an organized manner, having the form of files located in directories. The structured and hierarchical form of organization is named as a file system. When a disk drive is initially added to the system, it has seen as a simple device. The disk is not yet accessible from LVM operation. To be made accessible, it has to be assigned to a volume group, which means changing from a disk to a physical volumes. Here